Before I start this video, I want to give a big thank you to the Cuban Connection for being a subscriber and one of my good cubing friends. His channel link will be in the description. Go check him out. Now, let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube with my feet. And the last time I did this, I got a time of 7 minutes and 2 seconds. So I'm going to try beating that today. And the Scramble is going to be in the description. Nice, so I got a time of 3 minutes and 29 seconds, which beats my last one by like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.